Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download a video from your Google Drive. Now let's begin. Do note that this right here is the interface of Google Drive once you have logged in. In case you have not, log in right now. It is quite easy. You just have to sign in to your Google account. Now let's simply try to download a video. At the top, right here, is a video folder that I have created, and inside it, here is a video. Now let's simply try to download it. I'm just gonna click on the video that I want to download, and right here at the top you will see a few icons like this, and right here next to this share icon you will see a button like this that says download. In case you do not find this, simply right click on the video, and here is a button like this that says download. Simply click on it, and as you can see, the video downloads just like that. It's quite easy guys to download a video from Google Drive. The download speed will just depend upon your network speed. And guys, that's about it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.